Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Nebloo Healthy, your ultimate platform for wellness and self-discovery. I'm Nebloo Leon, your guide and companion on this exciting journey of transformation. Remember here, we post video every day from Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. So, today we're about to dive into something incredibly special, a 7-day detox challenge. This isn't your typical health challenge, folks. This is a comprehensive, holistic approach to wellness that encompasses mind, body, and soul. A 7-day journey to rejuvenate, revitalize, and rediscover your true potential. But before we plunge into this refreshing experience, do ensure you're subscribed to our channel and have hit that notification bell. We've got a treasure trove of transformative content lined up for you that you wouldn't want to miss. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to a healthier, happier you? Excellent. Let's get started then. Now, let's get ready to revitalize our minds and bodies with the 7-day detox challenge. To kick things off, let's explore the why behind detoxing. The world we live in today is filled with toxins. They're in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in the seemingly harmless products we use daily. Our bodies do an excellent job of processing and eliminating these toxins, but sometimes they can become overwhelmed. That's where detoxing comes in. Think of it like a reset button for your body. A detox helps to cleanse your system, flushing out toxins, and giving your body a much-needed break. It's a chance for your body to rejuvenate and restore itself, leaving you feeling lighter, more energetic, and overall, healthier. But detoxing isn't just about your physical well-being. It's a holistic approach that also takes into account your mental and emotional health. Stress, negative thoughts, and emotional baggage can also act as toxins, weighing you down and hindering your journey towards wellness. A detox can help clear away these mental and emotional toxins, helping you to achieve a state of inner peace and harmony. It's an opportunity for self-reflection and self-discovery, a chance to let go of what no longer serves you and to embrace positivity and growth. So why should you detox? Because it's a comprehensive, all-encompassing approach to wellness. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and soul, and creating the best possible version of yourself. And that's what our 7-day detox challenge is all about. It's a carefully crafted journey towards holistic well-being, designed to help you detoxify your body, mind, and soul. From nourishing your body with wholesome foods, to engaging in mindful practices and rejuvenating activities, every aspect of this challenge is designed to promote detoxification and wellness. It's not just about purging toxins, it's about embracing a healthier, more mindful way of life. This challenge is a commitment to yourself, a pledge to prioritize your well-being and to take steps towards a healthier, happier you. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-love, and self-improvement. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with us? Now let's delve deeper into the details of the 7-day detox challenge. Our 7-day detox challenge is a holistic experience that takes you on a comprehensive exploration of your well-being. This detox plan is not just a meal plan, it's a lifestyle change, a commitment to your health and vitality. Each day of the detox is meticulously designed to cleanse your body, boost your energy, and uplift your mood. Day 1 kickstarts with a focus on hydration. We'll be consuming water-rich fruits and veggies like cucumbers and watermelons, and sipping on herbal teas. Day 2 is all about fiber. Think whole grains, lentils, and berries. On day 3, we concentrate on proteins, which are vital for repairing and building tissues. We'll include plant-based proteins like chickpeas, quinoa, and almonds in our meals. As we move to day 4, we step up the game with an emphasis on antioxidants. Foods like spinach, beets, and blueberries take center stage. Day 5 calls for a focus on healthy fats. Avocados, chia seeds, and olive oil are the stars of the day. On day 6, we mindfully include probiotics in our diet, using fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. Finally, on day 7, we tie it all together, incorporating elements from the entire week into a balanced, nourishing menu. Throughout the week, we'll also engage in gentle physical activities, like yoga and walking, along with mindfulness practices to keep our minds clear and focused. Remember, this detox plan is not a strict regimen, but a flexible guide that can be adjusted to suit your needs and preferences. The goal here is not to starve or stress yourself, but to nurture your body and mind with wholesome foods, mindful activities, and positive thoughts. This challenge isn't about deprivation. It's about embracing a lifestyle that nurtures your mind, body, and soul. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey to wellness? Let's do it together! Now, let's dive into the daily highlights of our detox journey. The 7 days of our detox challenge are designed to be a transformative experience that touches every aspect of your well-being, from physical fitness to mental clarity and emotional balance. Day 1 is all about setting the stage. We start with a hearty breakfast smoothie, packed with all the nutrients your body needs to kickstart the detoxification process. Follow this up with a light jogging session to get the blood flowing and the muscles warmed up. Day 2 focuses on hydration. We'll be experimenting with a range of detox water recipes, each infused with a unique combination of fruits and herbs to aid in toxin removal and hydration. Complementing this will be a session of yoga to help stretch and relax your muscles. On Day 3, we turn our attention to our diet. We will explore a range of clean, nutrient-dense meals that not only satiate your taste buds, but also fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Day 4 is about mindfulness. We'll be practicing meditation and deep breathing exercises to help clear the mind, reduce stress, and enhance focus. Day 5 is for rejuvenation. We will indulge in a DIY spa day at home, treating ourselves to natural homemade skincare remedies that will leave your skin glowing. Day 6 is dedicated to physical fitness. We'll be trying out a fun, high-intensity workout session that will boost your metabolism and energy levels. Finally, on Day 7, we reflect. We'll take a moment to appreciate the progress we've made, to tune into how our bodies and minds feel, and to set intentions for maintaining this newfound balance in our everyday lives. Each day of this journey is a step towards a healthier, happier you. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big impact. It's about discovering what makes you feel good, inside and out. And guess what? I'll be right here with you, sharing tips and motivation every step of the way. But here's the exciting part. This isn't just about me, it's about us as a community. This journey we're embarking on, it's a shared experience. Each one of us, with our unique stories, brings something special to the table. So I encourage you all to share your experiences. Share your highs, your lows, and every little triumph in between. Document your progress, your insights, and even the challenges you face. Because it's in sharing that we learn, grow, and inspire others. To make this even more fun, let's use a dedicated hashtag. Let's call it #DetoxWithUs. Every time you share something related to our detox journey, use this hashtag. Let it be a beacon for all of us, guiding us towards positivity and transformation. Because together, we're not just a community, we're a force of change. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and transformation together. As we embark on this detox adventure together, I want to share some additional tips for success. First off, hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to help your body flush out toxins. Secondly, listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, rest. If you're feeling energized, use that energy to engage in physical activity. Remember, this detox is not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. So, don't be too hard on yourself if you have a craving. Instead, find a healthy alternative that can satisfy that craving. Another crucial tip is to stay consistent. The benefits of detoxing are most evident when you stick to the plan consistently. But remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate every small victory, every step you take towards a healthier you. Lastly, and most importantly, savor the process. Enjoy this journey towards wellness, and remember, self-care is an act of self-love, and you deserve every bit of it. As part of our detox challenge, I encourage you to embrace daily affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and believe in them, you can start to make positive changes. During this detox process, it's essential to keep your mind focused on positive and nurturing thoughts. It's not just about cleansing your body, it's about purifying your mind as well. So each day, I want you to choose a positive statement that resonates with you. It could be as simple as, "I am worthy of good health," or "I am embracing positive habits for a healthier me." Please don't forget to leave a comment, like and share the video, and also subscribe to this channel if you feel that you have learned something interesting. These affirmations will act as your personal mantras, guiding you through the detox process and beyond. They'll help you stay motivated, reinforce your commitment to your health, and foster a positive mindset. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool in this journey. Let's harness it to foster positivity and transformation.